Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you 3-step easy skincare routine using products by the brand Pilgrim. A lot of you in the past have requested me to try Pilgrim skincare products, and yes, personally also I wanted to try a few of their products. They are quite appealing. They have a wide variety of products. When I was scrolling down on Pilgrim's page and I was seeing a lot of products of theirs, they have products for every little concern you have, from skin to hair. So you have something for yourself. So you really don't have to buy everything and anything. Whatever skin concerns you have, Pilgrim has it for you. Now let's move on to the 3 interesting products I happen to try by Pilgrim. The face wash I happen to get is the Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island Volcanic Lava Ash Face Wash with Yugu and White Lotus. Now this cleanser is made for all skin type. The cleanser comes into a packaging like this. It is a plastic bottle and then you have to just flip up and then you pour the cleanser, close it, and yes, there you go. You have a very basic and a very simple to understand packaging here, nothing fancy. This cleanser is though going to cost you 350 rupees and you get 100 ml of product. As I already mentioned, the cleanser has 3 core ingredients. Volcanic lava ash, which is going to remove all the dirt from your pores and give you more of a cleaner skin. It has Yugu, which is going to work on your active acne, basically help to dry them. And then it has White Lotus, again, which is going to give you more of a clearer and a cleaner skin. All in all, 3 beautiful ingredients which together going to give you more of a clean, clear as well as brightened up skin. Though another thing to keep in mind is the cleanser is not going to dry out your skin. It is hydrating in nature. Just take a little bit of product, apply it all over to your skin, give a nice massage while cleansing and then rinse it off. Another important thing which you will notice with this cleanser does not have any kind of lather or a foam. So when you are basically washing your skin with the cleanser, you will not see anything onto your skin when in coming contact with water, and you will have a nice, clear and a clean skin going on. All in all, a beautiful cleanser in a very good pricing, and yes, all skin type, as I already mentioned that it does not have any kind of lather or a foam. It is not going to dry out your skin. So do look out for that cleanser because weather is going to change drastically and you need something like this which will keep your skin away from dirt as well as pollution. After a good cleanser, a good moisturizer is a must. So I went ahead with the Pilgrim Secret of Jeju Island oil-free gel moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and willow bark. It is made for oily and acne-prone skin. The moisturizer though is going to cost you $4.95 and you get 50 grams of product. The moisturizer comes into a packaging like this. It is a plastic jar. You open the jar, you have a lid right on top. You open it and you have the moisturizer right in there. This is how the moisturizer would look. Very nice consistency. It is into a gel format, but it is definitely not silicone, so it is not going to dry out your skin. Now the core ingredient in this moisturizer is hyaluronic acid and willow bark, and as it says, it is made for acne prone as well as oily skin type. Now, hyaluronic acid, you know, it is going to maintain a nice hydration onto your skin. Willow bark is going to basically reduce the appearance of your pores as well as work onto your blemishes. It also has niacinamide, which again reduce the appearance of your pores, and as well as it has other ingredients which will help to reduce the appearance of your blemishes as well as work on your active acne. If you have acne, this moisturizer will help to dry them out and do not leave an acne scar. Though I've been already using this moisturizer for quite some time because yes, in between I had a very troubled skin. Here also I have a very small acne wherein I'm using this one and the cleanser, and it is definitely drying out by itself. I really didn't have to go in with an additional product to dry out my acne. All in all, the consistency of the moisturizer is such that it just spreads evenly onto the skin. It just sinks into the skin and start working on your problematic areas. Though it is not a restrictive moisturizer, you can use it all over your face as well as onto your neck. If you are a combination to oily skin and if you are looking for a moisturizer which is not drying but rightly hydrated and work onto imperfections of your skin and give you a more of an even skin and work on your acne, then this is the moisturizer to go for, and you can even wear this moisturizer underneath your makeup. All in all, a beautiful moisturizer which will be loved during winters as well as your summers and humid weather. To finish up this easy skincare routine, I have Pilgrim Secret of Jeju Island Argan Oil with jojoba and maracuja, which has no artificial fragrance, as well as this oil is made for all skin type and hair. Now this oil is going to cost you 600 rupees and wherein you get 30 ml of product. The consistency of this oil is super light. It is not so oily or greasy onto the skin, and you can see my skin. The last product I happened to apply onto my skin was this oil, and you can see it is not at all oily, not greasy, and my skin just looks perfectly hydrated and well done. So yes, the product is super light in nature, which can be used onto your face, your hairline, as well as basically your roots of the hair and your nails to give better nourishment. The three main ingredients in this oil is, first is argan oil, which is going to give you a lot of hydration and nourishment. The second ingredient is jojoba oil, which is again going to work onto imperfections of your skin, give you a nice hydration as well as control the sebum production onto your skin. And the last ingredient, maracuja, which comes out of passion fruit, which is again going to give you a nice amount of brightness onto the skin and again give you more of a corrected skin. All in all, a beautiful oil which has so much to offer. So if you are someone who wants to have that all-in-one, very easy, simple to understand oil which can work onto your face, your hair as well as your nails, then I think this is definitely a must buy or a must try. Though I really like the texture of this oil, so for coming summers and humid weather, this is a beautiful oil, and if you are a combination to oily skin, you are not going to feel heavy or clogged on the pores. So a beautiful oil for a very good pricing, as well as I really like the texture of the product, which is definitely a fully approved oil. If I really have to summarize it, all the three products are well made for combination to oily as well as all skin type. Summers are approaching, we need to switch up our skincare products. So these are three wonderful options to go for. All of these products are available on Pilgrim website. So there is a coupon code for you. I will be leaving it in the description as well. So whenever you happen to buy anything from Pilgrim website, you can put this coupon code right on the screen and avail 15% discount. Further, everything will be linked and listed in my description. Consider checking it out. I will be here soon with some more interesting reviews, some more skincare, some more makeup. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram. I will see you in my next one. Till then, you take care and ta-da!